Welcome to the Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Christy, flying solo right now. As we promised, for the month of April, we're going to do an emphasis on Plan Ahead April. That's our hashtag, Plan Ahead April. And in that one, we basically want to show you what it's like to have a flexible meal plan. We feel like there's a lot of channels out there that show you like a calendar and they write in their meal plan. There's some that don't, but not as many. And so we wanted to show how we do that as flexible meal planning because, as we've mentioned before in some of our videos, Joel's schedule changes from week to week, and sometimes I put a meal plan together before that schedule changes. So I will have to tweak what I wrote down. So what we're going to do in these videos for the month of April is we're going to show you, instead of doing our recipe of the week video like we normally do, we're going to show you what we eat every week so that you can kind of see how we're moving those meals around and making the most of them without wasting food. So also be sure to tune in because on Tuesdays and Thursdays, we're also going to share short videos that are tailored to meal planning tips. And if you have any meal planning tips, be sure to drop them down in the comments or share them on your channel if you have a YouTube channel or Instagram account or wherever you have hashtag Plan Ahead April and tell us your tips, because I hope that what we get across this month is, first of all, tips that you could be able to use, but also be able to say it's okay to do meal planning the way that works for you. Because if your schedule changes from day to day or week to week, it might be kind of hard for you to meal plan with a traditional calendar. So let's help each other out, because the better you plan ahead, the more chance that you're going to make wise purchases at the grocery store. Okay, so let's see what we did this week. Like we noted in our grocery haul video where we shared our meal plan, we did not intend to eat at home on Sunday anyway. We were taking some friends out for dinner, so I didn't record that because I don't like recording when we're out with friends and family. So, but that was what we did on that Sunday night. So now let's go on to Monday. Oh, and just a note, I wasn't very good at recording every meal through this week. So y'all, hopefully by the end of the month, I'll remember to record every single time. All right, let's get started. Okay, so we were supposed to have sausage and potatoes tonight, but I had a huge editing problem with my computer, and it took me a lot longer to get the video edited because of that. So we didn't make that. So this is our first meal into us showing, actually it's our second one, but anyway, into us showing you about how we do flexible meal planning. We're showing you an example. We did not get to our meal. Instead, we just made some cheese grits, some eggs, and some bacon. So stuff that we didn't have to thaw anything out. And it took it took a little bit longer because we had to bake our bacon because we hadn't done that since we got our pack. But other than that, it doesn't take all that long to make eggs and grits and bacon. So that was the winner for tonight. Okay, guys. I'm not good at doing what's for dinners because I skipped the last two nights. The Tuesday, we did not plan to eat at home, and we didn't. But I was still going to record what we ate, but I forgot. I may do a little B-roll footage right here of what we were eating, but we were out at the theme parks, and we were recording videos for a second channel that we have that's all about travel. So if you want to see that, then you need to subscribe to that channel. But that was what we were doing. The next night, it was a little sad. It was confirmed that my mom has cancer, and I don't know, I just wasn't feeling actually cooking a meal, and Joel wasn't at home, so I just ate a couple of Pop-Tarts, to be honest. So anyway, so tonight is the next night. It's Thursday. Crazy week. It's Thursday, and we're having. Joel's not here at the moment, but he will be in a few minutes. We are having it's kind of like a sausage and potatoes, like cheesy sausage and potatoes, something like that. And this is our second time to have this, and it's pretty good. And so if you'd like to see how to make that recipe, you be sure to let us know down in the comments, and we'll add it to the recipe of the week list. All right, so that's all for tonight's dinner. All right, guys, it is Friday night, and we're just gonna have some leftovers tonight. Joel's working night shift, so I said, I'm not cooking anything. I got leftover sausage and potato. So, wow, that was loud. I got leftover cheesy sausage and potato, so I'm gonna have that instead. Okay, and so we are finishing off this week of What's for Dinner with a homemade pizza. And we have shown that on the channel a couple of times. So if you want to check that out, we'll put the link down in the description. All right, that'll be it for this video. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment below. And tell us what you're having for dinner and how you are planning ahead so that you can make sure you're making smart purchases at the grocery store. And for the Long Run with Joel and Christy, I'm Christy saying, it's a long run. Give yourself a little grace. Bye.